When it comes to working the land, there's no one size fits all. And with a wide range of mid-sized tractors on the market, it can be hard work finding the perfect match for your setup. Kubota's L Series utility tractors are all-purpose powerhouses with a range of models set to suit a variety of applications, including property maintenance, small farm operations and commercial landscaping. The L Series is powerful, versatile and built with Kubota's reputation for quality and ready to tackle anything you can throw at them. There are 3 horsepower ranges to choose from, 32, 38 and 46 horsepower respectively. They're all available with your choice of manual or easy to use hydrostatic transmission, which is operated with a single foot pedal, providing smooth control, making forward and reverse directional changes simple, making it perfect for front end loader work. The L Series is compact and extremely manoeuvrable. Due to its power steering and 4-wheel drive, it's easy to operate in tight spaces. And because of its exceptional traction, it makes light work of hilly, uneven terrain. Each model is available with performance-matched front-end loaders with exceptional lift capacity and heavy-duty backhoes that are ideal for trenching or landscaping jobs. Like its tractors, all Kubota manufactured implements are designed to stand the test of time. There's a wide range of Kubota land pride attachments made specifically for Kubota tractors, so you're guaranteed to find the implement you need, whether you're looking to grade driveways, slash paddocks, do some fencing, or turn over the soil in your garden beds. But it doesn't just stop at versatility. The L Series gives you exceptional economy all year round with no compromise on power either. Kubota's diesel engines give you plenty of oomph to tackle demanding jobs. And if you do end up spending a lot of time behind the wheel, the L Series ergonomic design, simple control levers and spacious operating area will keep things nice and comfortable even during those long work days. So there you have it, the ins and outs of the awesome L Series. Hopefully it's provided you with the information you need to make the right choice. Have a chat with your local Kubota dealer to find out more.